So here's what nobody tells you. Most passive income, it fails for one reason. Nothing moves while you're clocked in from 9 to 5. I found one setup where digital products on Etsy keep selling every week, even when you're stuck at your desk. And honestly, the part that makes it work surprised me. I went deep on this, hours reading Reddit threads, watching creator breakdowns, digging through what Forbes and finance writers are actually saying about passive income right now. And I want to walk you through what I found because most of what people are told about passive income is either incomplete or flat out wrong. Here's what kept coming up: people try something, a print on demand store, an affiliate blog, maybe a little course they threw together over a weekend. They work on it for 2 or 3 weeks, check their dashboard, nothing, maybe $1, maybe zero. So they quit. They blame themselves. They think they're not smart enough, not cut out for this. But it's almost never a you problem, it's a system problem. One pattern really stuck with me. The overwhelming majority of people who attempt passive income walk away before they give the model a real chance. Not because the idea was bad, because nothing was set up to keep working when they stopped touching it. Creator forums and online business communities echo the same thing repeatedly. Most people tap out well before the 3 month mark, right before things would have started to compound. Think about it. You go to your job. You're there 10 hours. You come home tired. The last thing you want to do is sit down and answer questions from strangers online. Follow up with leads, write sales emails, debug a landing page that isn't converting. So the whole thing just sits there collecting dust. Eventually you tell yourself it doesn't work. But the problem was never effort. The problem was that the moment you stepped away, everything stopped. Now, here's why that matters. There is a model that actually solves this. And the part that surprised me isn't the product, it's what happens after someone finds it. Most passive income advice skips the hardest part. Getting someone interested is one thing. Convincing them to buy is a completely different skill. Forbes has noted the affiliate marketing is one of the more accessible starting points for beginners, but the consistent catch is the same across every source I found. You still need some kind of system doing the convincing when you're not there. That's where almost every beginner gets stuck. They can attract a little attention, but when they step away, the conversation dies. What I found is a digital product setup where a done for you sales system handles the part. Most people can't consistently pull off the convincing, the follow up, the closing. All of it runs whether you're at your desk at work, picking up your kids, or asleep at 2 in the morning. There's even an AI that answers questions from interested people in real time. So you're not spending your evenings glued to your phone chatting with strangers on Facebook. That's the piece that changed how I think about this. It's not just a product you list somewhere and hope for the best. There's an actual infrastructure behind it, a lead capture page, an email follow up sequence, a short video that explains everything to the visitor. You don't build any of it, it's already built. You just point people to it. And that's what separates the setups that die from the ones that keep paying. Most people aren't failing because they picked the wrong product. They're failing because they have no system doing the work while they're clocked in. Now, let me break down the structure because this is where it gets interesting. The commission rate is on this setup is 80%, not after you hit some milestone or climb a rank from day one. And because how the entry point is designed, you don't need a massive customer base to get into the green. The math is built so a small number of customers can make a meaningful difference to your monthly numbers. I spent time going through the common complaints about other passive income models. Print on demand profits getting carved up by platform fees. Digital product sales stalling near zero without existing traffic. What stood out about this setup is that the structure is built for someone starting from scratch without an existing audience. You're not playing a volume game where you need thousands of transactions before anything registers. A relatively small number of customers can genuinely shift your monthly budget into a way you'd actually notice. And you're not committing to 2 or 3 hours a day creating content and waiting for the algorithm to notice you someday. You're working in a small, focused time blocks, pointing people towards a system that handles the heavy lifting between those sessions. That's the real difference. Income that depends on you showing up every single day versus income that keeps moving while you're at work. Real quick before you go, if what I just walked through resonates with you and you want to look at a setup that keeps working, whether you're clocked in or not, go check it out. The link is in the description below.